Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr. Holmes. What will you learn today? Let me tell you. It's Equivalent Fractions, Part 3, Comparing Shapes. We have our steps to learning written up neatly so you can follow along step by step as we go. As we're looking at equivalent fractions, let's have a recap. Remember, they are fractions that have different numerators and denominators, but represent the same value or part of a whole. Like in these two chocolate bars, if they were to eat the same amount, this person has 2 large pieces, this person has 4 smaller pieces. If this person was to eat one of their large pieces, or 1 out of 2, 1/2, the person with the smaller pieces would need to eat 2 to have eaten the same amount of chocolate. 2 out of 4 pieces, or 2/4. So 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent. Okay, let's have a look at our first question. Follow along with me with the steps to learning. So let's have a look at both diagrams. We want to identify the relationship between the first fraction and the shape. We have 1/3, or 1 out of 3 equal pieces. And there we have 1 part shaded out of 3. Let's have a look at the second diagram then. As you can see, it's the same size overall as the first shape, but it's split up into smaller pieces. It's already been shaded the same amount as the first picture. We now need to record the second fraction. How many pieces are shaded in? We can see 1, 2 pieces. That's our numerator. How many pieces altogether? Well, we have 2 already. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our denominator. 2/6. So we can say that 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. Let's have a look at another question. Let's run through the steps again. Let's look at both diagrams. Let's identify the relationship between the first fraction and the shape. We have 1/4, or 1 out of 4 equal pieces. We can see there's 1 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces. We'll look at the second diagram and we can see the same amount is shaded overall, and the total of the shape is the same size. Let's record the second fraction. 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. That's our numerator. How many altogether? We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pieces. That's our denominator. So as we can see, 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. And there you have it. Comparing shapes to find equivalent fractions. It's as easy as that. See you again soon for some more maths fun.